Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have OUKITEL G2 and I want to show you how to add website shortcut icon to your home screen on this device. Our first step to do it is opening our settings application. Not setting application, Google Chrome application, and find the website which you want to add to your home screen or shortcut icon. Where we are in it, we press three dots on the right corner and there choose add to home screen. Now we must customize our name of our shortcut icon. We can save what we have, but we can delete something, write something new, what you need and prefer. And after you customize it, press add and add to home screen again. And that's all, we have our shortcut icon on our home screen right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.